which has the most market share in Russia. And then Naver, which is very important and has the most market share in South Korea. In addition to that, you have very specific search engines that do one thing very well. A great example of this would be Wolfram Alpha, which works on computational knowledge and complex mathematics. Now, the third component is the search engine optimizer, the SEO. It's an acronym, and it can be a very confusing acronym because it means two different things. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the field, and Search Engine Optimizer, which is the profession. So if you remember that, you'll get everything else. That's the trickiest part of this opening section. So what does an SEO do? Well, an SEO does a lot of things. And actually, as we'll talk about, it's an increasing amount of roles, but the important thing to get is that an SEO focuses on influencing organic rankings in the search engines. So they don't primarily work on the paid advertising side of search. Now that we know the main components with some major players in SEO, let's look at what incentivizes them. And by understanding their incentives, you're going to understand what drives the market. So the first one we have is users. And everybody, including yourself, is this. This is the world's population who's using the internet to try and find information. The incentive for the users of the internet is to find the most relevant information they possibly can on any topic that they can at any time and in any language. So it's a very big goal, but something that search engines work towards trying to solve. So what incentivizes the search engines? You see, they're trying to provide the most relevant results to users worldwide, but they're doing it in two ways. They're doing it through organic results, which they do not get paid for. There are things that they're going to just provide so that they can offer the breadth of information that they have. The second way they do this is through advertising. They offer ads from advertisers along with regular search results. The ads in the search results are what powers more than half of Google's revenue. So what is incentivizing the search engines? It's twofold. They're trying to attract a large audience of users through the organic results, but also provide ads with relevant information. And they get paid when people click on the ads. This really works well for SEOs. SEOs are focusing only on the organic side. It's a completely different profession than working on the paid advertising side. But what's important for SEOs is to work on getting their information, or more often their clients' information, to the top of the search engine, so that their relevant information is shown to the world's audience of searchers. Now that we have the main components identified and their incentives, let's look at the relation